Hi, I'm Robert Reisinger with 6D Helmets, and I'm the Director of Engineering and Vice President. I'm here to talk to you about our ATR-1 helmet with the new ODS omnidirectional suspension technology system. The ODS system is incorporated in our 6D helmet along with the features you'd expect and have come to know for premium helmets. The ODS system is a dual liner EPS system with an elastomeric damping system that's incorporated in the helmet that allows the outside of the shell to move independently of the inside liner against your head, which deals with the angular rotation as well as linear displacement, linear and angular displacements of the EPS. During an impact event, that allows the helmet to reduce energy that is transferred into the helmet, and you can see in this cutaway that the ODS system is broken up into an outer liner, an inner liner, and these elastomeric damper systems that provide the independent motion inside the helmet. Our ATR-1 helmet, also due to the dual layer system, has the ability to move a tremendous amount of air and improve the ventilation. Through these intake ports up here, in the forehead area as well as the side vents, we bring air up into that liner system. This, again, back to the dual layer system, run it through that air gap, and that allows us to scavenge air through 13 transfer ports that are on the inside of the helmet up into the dual air gap system and exhaust out the back of the helmet. So we have a high efficiency ventilation system in the ATR-1 helmet. As well, we have emergency removable cheek pads on the ATR-1 helmet. They'll pop out due to an accident. Our rear ventilation system in the back that is the back of the air gap, our exhaust ports on the back, delta vent on the back. We have a removable nose protector if somebody wants to remove that. And shear-away visor screws. Small hole in the middle made out of plastic that allow the visor to shear off during an impact and to reduce the amount of rotational energy that might be induced into the helmet during a crash event. The ATR-1 helmet comes in at about 1,500 grams depending on the features of it. And that puts us into, well, the mid category. We're lighter than a number of helmets out there. We're going to be heavier than some of them as well. Inside of the ATR-1, the dual liner system, the design of the helmet is basically the same size as any modern helmet. When we're looking at something like a Moto 9 or a Fox V4, which are larger helmets than your typical, more historic helmets that are 2 or 3 years older, the ATR-1 is not any larger than a typical helmet in that category. It comes with the features of removable cheek pads and replaceable in different sizes, as well as a removable and replaceable sized interior fit liner. The fit liner is antimicrobial, so it doesn't stink. It was totally washable and does come in various sizes. So if you need to tighten up or loosen your helmet, you can contact 6D Helmets for available parts or your local dealer. It's certified to DOT and ECE safety standards. ECE being high velocity impacts, the DOT having all the penetration requirements. We specifically didn't do Snell certification because it would add to our weight and add to the stiffness of the helmet and is in opposition to our low energy technology and isn't required. It's a voluntary standard. Price point on the helmet is $745. Availability is now. We have a youth model in production that will be coming out sometime in the fall, and we'll be bringing out a road model sometime in the fall, early next year as well. That's our ATR-1 helmet for most of its features. We're really excited about bringing that to you this year. It's available now. See your local dealer or the internet for availability.